Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden and Kitchen. How is everybody doing today? Today we are gonna make some easy and quick meat. It's called Bhuna Gosht. It's all spices, whole spices. We are gonna use most of them and a little bit of powder, but most of the spices gonna be going in a whole spices in that meat. Okay, so it's really very delicious, and do not skip the steps. So follow each step. So you can understand how to make this dish. Okay, it's very tasty. You're gonna like this. Let me go see all the ingredients what we needed to make this dish. Okay, I have 1 pound of mutton with the bones. So and I have 2 onions, medium size, and then I have this whole spices over here. That's why you're gonna use it. Some red pepper and some black pepper. Whole black pepper is running away from me. And some cloves. I have 4 cloves and 4 cardamoms, and I have 2-3 pieces of cinnamon that goes in there, and also garlic and ginger paste, 2 spoons, and there's dry masalas. Not too many dry masalas goes. I have a black pepper, and I have salt, some garam masala, turmeric, haldi, and dhania powder, coriander powder. Okay, half a spoon and quarter spoon. Okay, salt to taste. And then we have some masalas, some of the stuff to garnish over here. There's some green peppers, and some ginger, julienne cut gingers, and also some cilantro. Okay, this is gonna go on top for the garnishing. Okay, let's go start cooking our Bhuna Gosht whole spice meat. Okay, let's go. Okay friends, I have my pressure cooker is on the stove. It's hot. I'm gonna put some oil in there, and I'm gonna start. I'll put all these whole spices in there. Okay, and I forgot to tell you the bay leaves, so I'm putting 2 bay leaves. Okay, so we're gonna add all this in here. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We'll fry this for a little while, for a minute. Already starts smelling good. All the garam masalas, all spices. I like this tadka red pepper, the round red pepper. Look how they look like a fruit, cherry tomatoes. So okay, this is done. Smells good. Okay, now we're gonna add onions. Bismillah. We're gonna saute these onions for a little while until it gets soft. I'm going to show you a trick. If you are frying onions, if you want onions to be softer, faster, you just sprinkle a little bit of salt on it when you're frying before it's frying. Okay, so it will get softer. Okay, our onions is done. They're soft and they're cooked. So I'm going to add meat. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we're gonna add garlic and ginger, adrak laisan ka masala, adrak lasan, and we're gonna stir it for 2 minutes. Okay, we're gonna put the rest of the masalas: haldi, garam masala, dhania powder, black pepper, and salt. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, friends. Alhamdulillah, month of Ramadan will be coming very soon, probably 1 month away from month of Ramadan. So I'm going to start giving you a lot of recipes for month of Ramadan, which you can make it and keep it in the freezer. So in the Ramadan, after you fast all day long and reading all the prayers, you get tired going for Taraweeh, and it's going to be difficult to cook. So if you have some things are ready in your freezer, you can you don't have to work that hard. Okay, I will start giving it to you. This is also a very good dish for in month of Ramadan for suhar, because you can make hot parathas, or maybe you can buy parathas from the store, and you can just heat it up and eat this very good, because you don't want to eat too much food in the suhar. I don't think anybody can eat too much food. I cannot eat food in the suhar. So, but you have to get up and eat anyway, so you have to eat something. So maybe you can eat one paratha, a little bit of this Bhuna Gosht. So that will be good. Inshallah, I'm going to be making a lot of yeah, stay with my channel and subscribe my channel, because inshallah for the month of Ramadan I'm going to be making, everybody will like to eat pakode and different things, snacks, but that's all oily. But I'm going to be making in air fryer. I will make all the pakodas in air fryer, everything, chicken, beef, kebabs, everything I'm going to show you in the air fryer. So we can make in the air fryer, and that's going to be very good for the after your breakfast. You're not going to have like a heartburn and stuff. When you eat oily food after your breakfast, it's not good. It's going to have like a heartburn and stomach cramps or something, you know, and then you cannot sleep. You eat that, and in the night time, then you're gonna have to get up for the suhar. So I'm gonna showing most of the dishes, and chicken. I'll show you how to do the pan fried chicken and put the masalas and put it in the freezer, and chicken tikke and shish kebab. You can make all these things ahead of the time. Like right now, you can start making them and putting in the freezer, and then for the Ramadan, you just have to remove it from the freezer and put it in the refrigerator for around suhar time. By the iftar, they're all gonna defrost, so you can put it in the air fryer and fry them, or maybe you can put it in the stove and cook them. Okay, if you don't have a air fryer, you can pan fry them in the pans. I'm gonna show it to you both ways. Okay, I'm gonna come back after 5 minutes, maybe 6 whistles. There is a mutton, so it will get tender very fast. Okay, friends, I have 6 whistles, so I'm gonna turn the stove off. This is the 7th one. Okay, I'm gonna turn the stove off. I'm gonna let it cool down, so then I'm gonna come back and show it to you. Okay, our meat is cooked. I think our steam is gone. It's on the still hot. Okay, let's see. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Perfectly done. Let's see our piece of meat. See, the meat is tender. So it's done. Now we just have to cook until this water evaporates and oil comes out from the pan. Okay, from the dish. Ouch. It's hot. Just now bhuna, stir it, keep on stirring until the water evaporates. It's almost done. Unless if you want some gravy, if you are eating with rice, maybe you should keep a little bit of rice, a little bit gravy. This is fine too. You can just leave it like this as it is. But I want it a little bit dry, so I'm going to dry some water. Okay. Okay. Our meat is done. All the water is evaporated. All the oil is coming out of the pan. So I'm going to remove it in the dish. I'm just going to show it to you, okay? I'm going to just remove it in the dish. Okay friends, our whole spice meat is ready. Khada masala gosht, or maybe you can call Bhuna Gosht, is ready. This looks so delicious. I'm very hungry. I'm going to go eat. And go ahead and make it. Quickly, come on, let's go make it. And let me know how it is when you make it. It's very good with the parathas. If anybody wanted the recipe for the layer flaky and layer parathas, I can give you the recipe. Just write it down in the comments, so I'll give you the recipe. Okay, I'll see you next video. Bye.